How do you plan your video content? This is a question that comes to me quite a lot, and I'm going to come on to that in a minute. But I'm going to tell you, first of all, you need to start with the end goal. What do you want to achieve from your video marketing campaign? You then have to ask yourself questions like, do you want to script it? Now, I'm one that really says, don't script it. Be off the cuff. You know you do you, and you do you better than anybody else. And you actually know what you're going to say. But there's lots of different things you can do. Do you want to have animation? Do you actually want to go on camera? What is it that you want to get from your video marketing campaign? Recently, I was on a social media platform and they used an AI article and they wrote this whole list of different things that you need to do for a video marketing campaign. And actually, a lot of it was well, I can't swear on here, but it was not necessary. It was overthought. It was overthinking. It was the kind of conversation that you would have with somebody who's got a massive budget of £5,000 or £6,000. And that's what you're paying if you want to go and use a videographer. You will be paying a minimum of £500 a day. But you can shoot and record video in the comfort of your own home, just like I am now. You can go to Clipchamp, you can add in music, you can shoot a 10-minute video with absolutely very little investment. Yes, you need a mobile phone. Yes, you need to look at Film 4, Clipchamp, CapCut, all the different pieces of applications out there, the software that you can use, but you can caption less than 10 minutes for free. All of this is available if you look for it. Yes, you need to convert your text files to an SRT and upload an SRT, and yes, it's complicated, but you can do it. And there is lots and lots of free music out there. But we start with where you want to end up. What do you want your video to look like? What is your budget? How much do you want to spend? Do you want to go on camera? Do you want to employ actors? Do you want a voiceover? How do you want to present your video? So if you're really confused or feeling overwhelmed, get in touch. And subscribe to my YouTube channel because there are lots of different videos on there that will help you streamline your content marketing and help you to clarify and speak confidently in everything that you do. I'm Kirsty and I'm the Creative Director at kvdp.co.uk.